What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing Charlotte Roselei from Black Clover, the Patreon request from Emmanuel. So close up on her face. Right, so, well, sort of down, halfway down her chest maybe. So let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Center point here, up over to the right. We start with her eye. Typical anime eyes, kind of slender though. So we just go diagonal first, and then over the top to like a point back there. All right, you got to thicken this up a little bit, so you just got to add some thickness to it. Boop. And we'll give her like a line coming off here. Okay, and then the bottom eyelid, just a sort of a curved line coming across here, up to the corner, and we can see some eyelashes drawn in as well, on a line here. So they like draw in an extra line for those eyelashes, see that? And then the eyelashes coming off the top, kind of go this way, and they're always bigger than the bottom ones. Right, this kind of thing. Right, and then top eyelid line just comes across here. And her eyebrow is like underneath her helmet. So what do I do? Draw in and erase, or just draw in after? No, we'll leave it. So her iris and her pupil just here. They're kind of like slender eyes. They're not like perfect circles. And then her pupil, long sort of skinny pupil. That kind of thing. Go over and do the other eye now. So starting here, you're not really eye width, right? It's probably 3/4 of her eye will fit in between, because the eyes are bigger than standard human eyes in Black Clover. So 3/4 eyes, if you measured this eye, 3/4 of it will fit in between. And then we will go over. Like so. You want to thicken it up. So make it darker. Right, kind of like that. And then her bottom eyelid line, down, around. She's real thin sort of eyes. And then again, her eyelash line drawn in real small. There. Her iris, inside here, coming down from the top eyelid, like so. And then her pupil, long skinny pupil, there. Give her an eyelid line, coming across her eyelashes, like so. So her nose, right? So we got like a little line coming down here, and then it goes straight, and we're slightly left of center. We're not like bang in the middle, see? It's like this line is like slightly to the left. And then her nostrils, just here. They always draw the noses fairly simple in anime. So her mouth, what we can see anyway, it's just fairly flat, right? Comes across. Like so. Then we have a little line to show her top lip, and a line to show her bottom lip, right? But not much else really. She has like pink lipstick on around her mouth, but it's not drawn in, it's just colored. Her chin then, relatively pointy chin to here. Proportions, eyes to the nose, the same as nose to the chin. So here to here, top of her eye there, about the same as here to here. And then nostrils to the bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to the chin, right? So that's the proportion of the face that we're working with. When you get that, you can go for the jaw. Up to there. Up to here. And about mouth level and underneath, say, the corner of her eye, just here. Her eyes are quite big, so it's kind of like this part of the eye. That's where you change direction and go up the side of her face. So we go up like this. How far up? Just beside her eye. Go up to there. That's where we meet her sideburn for her hair, and she has a spike that just comes off here, and then like little spikes that go up underneath her helmet. Like so. So her helmet comes down across her forehead here, right? So it cuts off her eyebrows, as I said at the start. So it curves down to a point, goes back around the other side, right? And her eyebrows are kind of in underneath, right? So eyebrow here. Like that. Then we go to there. Like so. Like that, right? Then the rest of this helmet, so it comes down to here, right? And then her ears and her braid is in under here, right? So I'll just do her ear first on this side. So we can just see the ear here, and then lines inside for the cartilage of her ear. And on this side, it's braided hair that covers the ear. So braided hair, it's kind of tricky to draw. So you'll just do these sort of bumping lines like this first. And it kind of gets skinnier as we go down, and then it's like tied down here too. And then on the other side, right, so kind of overlaps, so it kind of like crisscrosses this, right, this kind of thing, right, like so. Just connect these, and we can see a little bit of her ear in underneath, across to there. So helmet comes out the side, curves around, right? This will go in, and then this comes around, so it'll go all the way, right? Near, mostly to the top, right? She's got a spike that sticks up here, right? Goes off my page. A few more room. You could just spike it up, or you could change her helmet and just have it around. So we got to add some details on this helmet now. So this comes down to a point in the center, and then a line goes up the middle. And there's more edge lines and things down here. So this comes around the front. You're kind of tracing around the edge, and these corner sort of lines make it look a little bit three-dimensional, right? Like so. And then this has another cap or peak sort of area that sticks out. Lines that come down to here. And then a line that goes through the corners. And there is details drawn on this helmet. So what do we got? So there's like these kind of spikes or something. Up this way, and then some, are they clouds or sort of half moon sort of bumpy things? I'm not sure. I'm kind of looking at two different images here. Right, and then same sort of thing this side, this sort of bumpy cloudy shape. A couple of layers of this going around the back of her helmet as well, like so. Okay, so neck. So neckline, skinny neck. Neck muscles maybe here. And she's got a collar, comes around from the back of her neck, down there, comes across the front. Remember, if I go too fast, hit pause. Use that pause button. And then it's got another section that comes down the front. And there's like a little cloudy rose or clasp or something here. Some lines like a flower petal, sort of like that. So her body's like turned a little bit, 3/4, right? So center line for her chest kind of curves this way. So you'll have a bigger shoulder and a smaller shoulder. So what I mean is she's got a cape on, so this goes out, bumps out. You got to draw these bumping lines for fabric first, and then this goes down a little, and then we have another bumping line going down all the way out that way. So this cape, it comes down across her chest right there, and it comes down across her chest on this side here, and then her shoulder comes out this side, right? Bumps out, not as far as the other shoulder because her body's a little bit turned away. So this area is skinnier than this by nearly twice. Right? So here to here is nearly half the size of this hole from shoulder to chest. And there's all these fold lines, so like her cape has a hood, so you've got all these fold lines on it. Lots of these. And then fold lines going this way. Right, and then off here. Right, so then we've got like chest armor, it looks like, right? So she's got this kind of V here. That's to do with this armor, I think. And then top of her chest armor curves around her chest here. And then what we can see of the outside of that, just kind of curving around here. And she has more of these sort of designs on the plate here as well. So just this kind of bumping stuff like that, and something else here. Like so. And I think that is everything. That is how to draw Charlotte Roselei from Black Clover. Hope it's helpful, Emmanuel. Anyone else with unusual requests of characters that I don't normally draw? Good place to get them through is Patreon. Sign up, request, and I'll get right on it. Thanks for watching. If you can afford it, of course. See you in the next one. Bye.